my videos of Learn Luganda with Kamlegea Ben. And today we are going to finalize with counting numbers. We are going to see how you can count from 10, 20, and so on. But please note, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to press the subscription button and yes, the bell button so that you don't miss out any of my videos. So let's start. Please note that from 10 up to 20, there is what we call a root starter. And if you're counting from 10, 10 in Luganda is kumi. Kumi. So 11 is going to be kumi nemu. Root starter is kumi. So 11 is kumi nemu. Kumi nemu. Okay, so 12 is going to be kumi nabiri. Kumi nabiri. 13 kumi na satu. Kumi na satu. 14 it's going to be kumi na nnya. Kumi na nnya. 15 kumi na tano. Kumi na tano. 16 kumi na mukaaga. Kumi na mukaaga. 17 kumi na musanvu. Kumi na musanvu. 18 kumi na munana. Kumi na munana. 19 kumi na mwenda. Kumi na mwenda. 20 abiri. 20 is abiri. Please note, our root starter this time is going to be 20, and 20 is abiri. So if you want to say abiri mwemu, that is 21. 21 is going to be abiri, then plus the preceding number, which is abiri mwemu. For example, if you want to say 26, 6 is mukaaga. So root starter is 20, which is abiri. So 26 is going to be abiri mu mukaaga. 29, for example, it's going to be abiri mu mwenda, because 9 is mwenda. So 29 is going to be abiri mu mwenda. 30 is asatu. So our root starter here is going to be asatu. For example, we want to say 31. We're going to say asatu mu emu. Asatu mu emu. For example, you want to say 36. 36. Asatu mu mukaaga. Asatu mu mukaaga. So, for example, 40. 40 is ana. Ana. If you want to say 80 is chinana. Chinana. Let's take another example. For example, you want to say 99. 90 is chenda. So chenda is going to be our root starter. So 99 is chenda mu mwenda, because 9 is mwenda. So root starter is 90, 99. So chenda mu mwenda. Yes. Thanks very much for watching. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up icon. We shall continue on in the next video. Mweraba.